ikaw ang
Good evening, South Cotabato, from the largest and richest pineapple plantation of the South, Chelsea Carril Gordeta Indico, Municipality of Balabala.
Nice Gin Bautista Dalos from the pottery capital of the South, the shining municipality of Narañag, Ngatantangan!
From the crown city of the South, Hamda Kababat Zain Normir, City of Colanadan! Shandeme Gayanga Fantilaga, from the fruit, flower, and vegetable basket of the South, Municipality of Wautubi!
ikaw ang aking ikaw ang ikaw ang aking ikaw ang
Basta Girl Scouts, lagi handa! Your mutiapa is Hazel Jane Hamisola Anati. Para sa bayan, para sa mga kababaihan, representing the Girl Scouts of the Philippines, South Cotabato Council.
Archel Jane Fuentes Sedobas, from the home of natural wealth and genuinely golden hearts, bahandi sa yuta, kaanyag sa katauhan, people of Tampakan!
Kayuki po, I am Casey Jean Kulan Plasan from the home of the living treasures, Condon Lake Cebu!
Carrying the harmonic and rhythmic waters of Surbe Tube, this is Jesselyn Bentosa Barufilio from the Christmas capital of the province of South Cotabato, the municipality of Smile, Solala!
ikaw ang aking ikaw ang
Transforming beauties, transforming life. I am Fredoma Nova Tinasa Scarborough, representing Bautista Cosmetic and General Surgery!
Cristel Dilan Parungaw, from the land that makes your heart beat faster, Land Transportation Office, Region 1! Angat, Timog, Cotabato, where the youth unites and shines. This is Angela Mercado Haba, Sangguniang Kabataan Federation of Tupi!
Shallow Pearl Lombong Mindal, from the only municipality named after stripe, Municipality of the Valley.
Ikaw ang aking ikaw ang aking ikaw ang aking
Azandra Dara Ikaw Cuevas, your Mutya 13, Liga ng mga Barangay, South Cotabato! From the inland resorts destination of the South, Andrea Christine Dorico Aurelia, Municipality of Mahanyag, Pangan!
Mayanya South Cotabato. This is Zayana Pearl Pedras Ventura. Mutya 18 from the Rice Bowl of the South. Municipality of Mayanya Norala.
Sophia Jane L. Tapes from the Organic Food Basket of the South, Municipality of